In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com to access your digital workspace. This platform is where all your project management magic happens, and now we're going to take a piece of that and put it on paper. Once the site loads, sign into your account using your regular login credentials or your preferred authentication method. It's important to have access to your account so that you can retrieve the board you want to print. Now take a moment to locate and select the specific board you wish to print from your projects or groups. Each board contains valuable information, so make sure it's the right one before proceeding, as this is the board that will be translated into a physical document. Now let's get to the printing process. If you're using a Windows computer, press the Ctrl and P keys on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens up the print settings. If you're on a Mac, you'll need to press the Command and P keys simultaneously instead. It's a quick way to access the print options without navigating through menus. Once you've done that, a print settings interface will pop up on your screen. Take a moment to review this interface, as it includes a document preview, allowing you to see how your board will look once printed. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure everything is in order before you commit to printing. Next, choose your preferred printer from the list displayed. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple printers connected to your computer. After that, be sure to select the appropriate paper size for your physical document. Standard sizes like A4 or letter-sized paper are commonly used, but confirm the size matches what you have loaded in your printer. Decide whether you want to print your board in full color or black and white. Full color can help emphasize different data points, while black and white may be preferable for straightforward printing. Now let's fine-tune the presentation of your board. Adjust the layout and scaling options to make sure the content fits perfectly within the margins. You want to avoid any parts being cut off or looking cramped on the page. Taking this extra step ensures clarity when viewing the printed board. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, click the Final Print button to send the document to your connected printing device. This sends your carefully prepared board to print. And that's it. You've successfully printed a board in monday.com. It's a straightforward process, yet it can be incredibly useful for presentations, meetings, or personal records. Remember to check your printer's status to ensure it has paper and ink before starting the printing process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.